Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, Kika TV. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you all the next video. Thank you all for watching. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, Kika TV. Like, subscribe to the video. Oh, not subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the channel, Kika TV, if you want more. Alright, we're gonna test the other microphone. Okay, let's go to the other microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Alright, folks, we come to the end of the video. If you like this content, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all the next video. Thank you for watching. Testing 1, 2, 3. Mic test. Hello. Record 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Recording. Hear my burp. Sounds awesome. And this is a test to see whether it works. Thank you. Oh, one more thing I forgot to show is this. Look. Look. It doesn't come off like a magnet. Cool. It stays closed. Wow. It stays closed, man. This is awesome. See? It comes out, but then you shake it very, very hard, it come out. Cool. I like this. It doesn't come out. I thought it will come out, like it will come off like that, but it doesn't. Yeah, I hold like this, it doesn't come out. Cool, man. This is cool. Awesome. For the money I bought it, I think I bought it for 27 ringgit, I think. 27 ringgit. I got a shout in the microphone. 27 ringgit. We'll see how long it lasts, but this is amazing.